Welcome to SUN, the Student Union for the Nation. We are dedicated to fostering a better society today. We're thrilled to guide you through our website, showcasing its functionalities and how you can become involved. Firstly, let's explore our carousel feature. It's an interactive display highlighting key initiatives, success stories, and our achievements. Next, we have our marquee, a scrolling section keeping you updated with the latest news, campaigns, and urgent calls to action. Are you curious about who we are and what we do? You'll find comprehensive information in our About NGO section. Here, you can learn about our mission, values, and the impact we've made so far. Now, let's delve into the Initiatives section, where you can discover all upcoming events along with their details. Moving forward, let's explore our Core Committee, comprised of dedicated individuals propelling our organization forward. And here is our Contact Us section, where you can reach out to us for any inquiries, suggestions, or collaboration opportunities. Ready to take the next step? Our Get Involved section offers opportunities for you to contribute your time, skills, or resources toward our noble cause. When you click on the Become a Volunteer section, you'll be directed to a form where you can fill out your details and submit your application. Upon submission, you will receive an email confirmation acknowledging receipt of your application, stating that our team will review it and respond within 2 working days. Behind the scenes, your information will be logged into our volunteer interest database, accessible through our admin portal. Here, our administrators can view your details and either accept or deny your application. Upon acceptance, you'll be assigned a position within our organization, and your details will be added to our roster of total volunteers. Each volunteer will receive their unique SUN ID via a congratulatory email. Our admin portal enables us to search for and view volunteer details, ensuring transparency and efficient management of our volunteer workforce. When you click on the Donate section, you'll be directed to a form where you can fill out your details and submit your application. Behind the scenes, your information will be logged into our donations record database, accessible through our admin portal. Here, our administrators can view donation details. Upon verification, the donor will receive an email confirming the contribution with transaction details. Administrators also have the option of downloading all donation details in PDF or Excel format in our admin portal. We've integrated some exciting features to enhance our website's functionality. Let's start with the Blood Donors section, where users can find a comprehensive list of all our blood donors along with their details. This significantly boosts the chances of swiftly finding a donor in critical situations where blood is urgently needed. Moving on to carousel management. This feature allows us to effortlessly manage the content displayed on our website's carousels. Administrators can easily edit, delete, or add new carousels, ensuring that our website always showcases the most relevant and captivating information. And last but not least, we have the Community Initiatives section. Here, we highlight all the initiatives our NGO is involved in, providing detailed information for our visitors. Administrators have the power to manage these initiatives, including editing, deleting, or adding new ones, ensuring that our website reflects the latest community efforts. Additionally, administrators can download the initiatives list in PDF or Excel format. Thank you for your attention to our SUN NGO website.